Welcome to Kentrol's instructional for the door alignment pins for the 2018 to current 2-door and 4-door JL Wranglers. Step 1. For aid in reinstalling your OEM doors, install an alignment pin by threading it onto a door's upper and lower hinge pin. Step 2. Reinstall your door with a pin's assistance. Step 3. Once in place, unscrew and remove the alignment pins and secure the doors. Repeat each step for the remaining doors and you're done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Kentrol for more instructionals and tutorials like this.